Well, let's talk about the context of the markets, because we snapped a losing streak today. The S&P as well as the NASDAQ. You're ending a 4-day losing streak. So what does this do? You mean you were saying that this is a sigh of relief?
Yeah, I think so. I mean, again, I think you've got a case where if you look how mega cap tech has been underperforming, and there's been a bit of an indictment against all the CapEx spend, against all the hyperscalers, rather. So if we get reaffirmation that this is money well spent, I'd see Meta turning around most immediately.
So, people, you wanted to see a rebound here, and the market can't really do anything without Mag 7. We've seen the equal weight outperform. We've seen Russell outperform. But when you look at the names that people hold the most of in their portfolios, it's these Mag 7 names. People wanted to see them bounce. They got flushed out. RSIs dipped. I think you give it a couple of days, and I think you see this group probably roll over again.
Give it a couple of days, you get PCE on Friday morning, and I think it's going to be really interesting to see where the 10-year yield has gone over the last few weeks from 4.8 to 4.3%. Let's see if that's a hot number. We've seen some hot prints over the last few weeks or so, and I think that put and take.
You want hot?
I love that.
Seriously, do you want hot? Does the market want hot?
I honestly don't know. What's the game guy that we play every once in a while on this show?
If you knew.
To tell you
yeah, we play a lot of games. I'm trying to think of which one applies in this
it's
case.
Definitely not traded or faded.
Well, one thing I'll just say, if you guys were worried about, like, if you think NVIDIA, the overhang is off the market, I'll tell you two things that I'd be worried about right now. Bitcoin, below 85,000, the way it sold off, the way it continued today. And the other one's Tesla. It sold off. It was down 10% at one point yesterday. It was down almost 5% today. And that just tells you a little bit of some of the extreme risk-taking that has been going on, especially as the AI trade has gone sideways.
But those weren't leaders, right? I mean, I hear what you're saying. I think a lot of the fluff has come out.
Sentiment leaders.
Okay.
For like FOMO, for risk on, sort of.
Bitcoin's definitely risk on, so I agree with that. When you see this fluff come out of it, and today I think was the biggest outflow. You had $1 billion coming out of, and last year, let's remember, ETFs, 80% of the inflows into ETFs were Bitcoin related.
I mean, gold, yes, the pullback in gold, right? I mean, people are looking to lock in their biggest winners, and for what? For safety.
Feels that way. I mean, we've seen a couple of gold sell-offs on the back of broader market sell-offs before. It's not unprecedented. I do think the gold trade is intact. I think Bitcoin is absolutely something to watch. We have talked about it. If the average price of micro or strategies holdings get to the point where Bitcoin is trading, that's going to be problematic. And the VIX is showing signs of wanting to do something on the upside. Closed lower today, I get it, but north of 19 is something to watch.
Have we seen a gold pullback?
A little bit.
What are you talking about?
A little bit. Look
We're
at the
$50 from an all-time high.
Yeah, that's a little bit of a
Oh, come on.
Still,
After the move we've had,
yelling at me.
You're calling this a pull? Don't call this a pullback. Who am I calling?
It's a Rorschach test.